Hello everyone, my name is Joelle. Welcome to my channel, and today I am so excited to invite you to join me for the Head to Toe 28-day yoga challenge coming up this February. 28 days of yoga, one video every day, each time with a different focus as we work our way down the body from head to toe, getting to know our own bodies better and building up some healthy habits of daily yoga along the way. Each video is going to be between 5 and 10 minutes long, so it's not about taking up a lot of your time. It's about doing a little bit each day. A little bit definitely goes a long way when it comes to creating and sticking to a yoga habit of healthy daily movement, and that will definitely make a difference in your body and mind. There are two ways you can participate in the Head to Toe Yoga Challenge. The first way you can participate is right here on YouTube. It's completely free. Just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you've clicked the notification bell so you don't miss a day. Videos will be coming out on this channel at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every day from February 1st to February 28th. The second way you can participate is by purchasing the whole challenge on the platform Udemy, where all of the videos will be completely ad-free, unlike on YouTube, and you get lifetime access to either stream the videos or download them to keep forever. You also get a calendar that you can download to cross off each day, and you get a certificate at the end if you have participated in all 28 days of the challenge. The whole challenge is already available on Udemy. I will put a link in the description box below this video so that you can check that out, and if you'd like to get a jump start already even before February begins. No matter how you choose to participate, this challenge is open to all levels. So of course, we are going to be challenging ourselves, but it's mostly, as I said, about getting to know your own body. So I encourage you throughout the challenge to listen to your body. If something ever doesn't feel right, or if you need to take a rest, then please do so. Back off as necessary, meet us in the next posture, and you'll still have learned something about yourself. Now, day one of the 28-day challenge is going to be our full body warm-up. And this is optional, but what I would encourage you to consider doing is to repeat that warm-up each day before moving on to that day's practice. That way you'll be ready, you'll be nicely warmed up, and you'll be doing about 15 minutes in total of healthy, conscious movement each day. It's kind of like a little yoga snack at some point in your day. You don't need any special equipment for this challenge besides a yoga mat or another comfortable surface that you can practice on. I won't be using any props, but of course if you'd like to keep some yoga blocks nearby or some pillows and blankets just to give yourself a little bit more support and comfort, then I encourage you to do so. I really hope that you enjoy this challenge with me. Just think how great it's going to feel at the end of the 28 days, how proud of yourself you're going to be, and who knows? It just might change your life. So again, check out the description box below this video for all of the details about the challenge, and please leave me a comment below as well to let me know if you are in and if you will be participating in the Head to Toe Challenge. And I would also appreciate it if you would leave me a comment each day on that day's video to let me know what you thought and that you are still with me. Why not share this video with a friend, challenge them to join you? That will help keep you accountable, and it really helps the channel to grow as well. Thank you so much for your support. I am so excited about this. Hit the like button if you are excited as well, and I look forward to seeing you soon on the mat for our day one practice of the Head to Toe 28-day yoga challenge. Namaste.